I've never been near this deep in a motor before, you know. But I got bearings and piston rings and all the gaskets and plugs and stuff. The reason all of this started was because I wanted to put a clutch in it. But I mean, literally, I was probably jinxing myself by constantly saying that I didn't want this thing to spiral. But since I've had the car, the guys always talked about the transmission gears and stuff, and I've looked at them, and I mean, I guess they're pretty chewed up. I don't know. But yeah, so here I am, honing my Firebird cylinder walls for the first time. I don't know if this is exactly what we're going for. You know, I've watched videos and stuff, you know. I might need to hit them a little more aggressively or something. I think this is 25 rounds, 20, something like that, 20, 25. Yeah. I think I'm sort of possibly done. I'm gonna do a little bit more research and see if there's anything else I should be aware of. But yes, sir. Look at the sconge on the inside of the freeze plug. Oh yeah, it's like part near an ecosystem down in there. Mm-hmm.